Hi, I'm Jim from the Wax Shop, and today I'm going to introduce you to and show you how to use our Rebuild 2000 medium cut polish. This polish was designed to be either used within the series of 3 polishes or as a standalone. The reason why you can use it as a standalone is that we went with submicron abrasives and high lubricating properties to allow you to get a deep, rich, dark shine no matter what color your vehicle is or if you have soft paint or hard paint. So what you want to do is make sure your pad is centered on your polisher. Put your polisher on the lowest speed setting. And then you want to apply 4 dime-sized drops onto the pad. You want to then dab the product out on the surface of the vehicle to prevent any sling. Put your polisher at the lowest speed setting and spread the product out. You always want to start the polisher and stop the polisher on the surface of the vehicle. So now I'm going to set it to about 5. And then I'm going to use the crosshatch pattern. You want to move slowly while keeping the pad flat on the surface of the vehicle to prevent introduction of any new paint imperfections. You want to go in a crosshatch pattern, back and forth, then up and down. You want to do this about 3 or 4 times. Once the polish gets translucent, you then want to stop. Again, make sure you stop the polisher on the vehicle surface. I'm going to grab a fresh microfiber towel. Now we're going to inspect the surface to see if any additional polishing is necessary. Thank you for watching this video. Please look for more videos from the Wax Shop on how to properly maintain the surface of your vehicle.